So I forgot the video up until here, but I put the harness in and it reached up about right here on my truck. So now I'm having to solder these extensions onto it. You see I got the switch harness here, and that's going to tap in right there. And then also got the power wires right here with the fuse. And so we're going to run some SO cable to the front of the truck for that. Nice and pretty solder joint. Got the heat shrink on it, and now we just got to do this one here. All right, so at work today we got the harness done, the extension for the harness for the pods, and now we're back home in the driveway and we've just got to integrate the button. So I've got the battery power ran all the way under the truck up into my battery, and then I've got this harness here that we're going to feed in the truck under the door sill, and then we're going to feed it up to the front across the dash, and then we're going to put a temporary switch in for now just to be able to use them. I think I got the plug right here. Oh, I don't know where it's at. There's a plug somewhere for the switch harness. Hopefully I brought it home. Yeah, I don't know where it's at, but anyway, I've got a plug. That way we can hook the switch up. So now what I've got to do is drill a little hole right here in my floorboard so I can get the wire in, and then we'll start feeding it up front. All right, switch harness is up in the front seat now, and so we just got to get it the rest of the way across the dash and over to the other side. Harness is now on the driver's side. We had to feed it like behind the center console. Now we just got to put the interior of my truck together and figure out a switch. So I mounted the switch just temporarily. See, I just stuck it to the underside right there, the kick panel. And I do plan on replacing that whenever I get the right switch. But for now, it'll do. So we got it wired up. Got to tuck those wires. And now we can test the brightness. Go ahead and turn this flash off. Whew. That's pretty bright. Man. Makes those Lasfit reverse lights look dim. You can see the Lasfit reverse lights add a little bit of brightness to it, but not much. Now I could hook these to my reverse switch so that they come on all the time whenever I put the truck in reverse, but I really don't want to do that because I'm going to be in parking lots and stuff. I'm not trying to blind anybody. Main thing is just sometimes when I put it in reverse, it's just not bright enough. Like that camera shot right there. It's just not bright enough to really see where I'm going, and this will help. So I'm thinking about aiming the lights a little bit out to the side, but for now I'll just leave them pointed straight back. What I do want to do real quick, I'm going to get cleaned up, and then I'll show you guys a comparison between these Lasfit 3-inch pods and just regular Lasfit LED reverse bulbs. All right, so first we'll do the reverse lights. You can see it's pretty bright. Not too bad at all, I'd say. Definitely a bright light. So now we'll do the pods only and turn the reverse lights off. We'll see what it looks like. All right, so much brighter. The light's coming from down there now, so it's not like right in my face, but you can see back here. Plenty bright. Actually hurts a little bit to look at. There you have it, guys. She's bright as crap. Just as expected from Lasfit. So real simple install. The biggest part was the wiring harness, and again, that's a my truck thing. Most vehicles, if you put the pods on the front of the truck and then use their factory harness that they sell, you won't have any problems. But obviously my truck's longer than most trucks or vehicles in general. So really easy to install, really bright, really good quality. Same old from Lasfit. Have come to expect nothing less. If you want to get a set, I'll put a link in the description below where you can purchase these on their website. Use promo code Leaman, Griffin, and Lasfit. Put that right here so you can get a discount, 10% off of your order. And as always, thank you for watching. You guys have a Merry Christmas. Today's the 22nd, so a couple days till Christmas. This may be my last upload until after Christmas. We'll see. I may have one more, but if not, hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Enjoy your holiday. Spend time with your family, and we'll see you in the next one.